Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then you should go to the additional settings and then to accessibility. So here you switch to vision and then you go to Talkback. Here you can enable Talkback like this. After that, Talkback tutorial starts. So, it's going to talk a lot about this Talkback mode. I'm going to explain it to you more briefly. So basically, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems which have difficulty seeing contents on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud, like text on the screen. For example, you tap on this paragraph and it all is like spoken out loud. You tap on this button gets spoken out loud. So what it also tells you, to activate it you have to double tap. You don't have to double tap specifically on this button, you can just double tap the screen like this, and that's how you can confirm actions. So you tap close, double tap. So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, you have to tap on switch, double tap, stop, and yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.